Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric scooter with seat. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, SK3. The scooter is suitable for any terrain, as it is equipped with wide 11-inch wheels. The scooter has a maximum output of up to a whopping 6,000 watt. It is divided in half, between two engines, so each of the engines has an output of 3,000 watt. This means that of course you do not have to use full power, but you can drive with only one engine. At full power, the scooter can reach a maximum speed is about 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. So this is a good speed, so we recommend using a quality helmet and clothing with protectors. The maximum range per charge is stated by the manufacturer at 100 to 150 kilometers and the scooter can handle a hill with a climb of up to 30 degrees. Good suspension also contributes to a comfortable ride. You will find a robust fork at the front and a shock absorber at the rear. There is a white headlight in the front and a red brake light in the back. You will even find signposts here. The electric scooter FLJ SK3 received a 60-volt Panasonic 40Ah or 50Ah battery. It is located at the bottom of the scooter. You charge it in about 8 to 10 hours. The maximum load of the scooter is 180 kilograms. There is a display on the handlebars, which you can recognize from other similar scooters. Displays driving information such as current speed, range and remaining battery capacity. 21-key remote control multi-mode inverter acrylic light guide light is more advanced to effectively reduce the safety hazards caused by lighting problems during night riding. Front hydraulic adjustable shock, turn left to lock the shock absorber for more stable high-speed driving. Rear dual hydraulic shock absorber, double shock absorber design, stronger bearing capacity. The special thing about it is its lights are so cool. The advantage of this special design is that it will be in the process of riding the shock by the rebound force will be dispersed or will go out, so the shock effect is better. The folding handlebar of this car adopts the locking thread principle, so it will not have gaps to tilt when you need to lift the car to go up the stairs. It also has a portable design at the rear of the car. Substitute it outdoors and it will make you feel good. Riding an electric scooter FLJ SK3 is really fun. Number 4. Brand name, Jaishai. Model number, X48. Jaishai electric scooter is equipped with a porous disc brake system and an ABS anti-lock force system, which can achieve efficient braking and quick response, shorten the braking distance, and make riding safer. The scooter has both front and rear suspensions, and it's more comfortable. Big wheels are found to be more comfortable, smoother and reduce vibration. Our adult kick scooter is easy to fold and carry with its patented folding system, ideal for travel and storage, hardly takes spaces. Can carry and storage anywhere easily such as trunk, coffee shop, bus, subway and so on. It is easier to use than general folding, and the folding installation speed is fast, from 0 to 3 steps of folding. The range of light is strong, and the power consumption is small and the life is long. When the headlights are turned on, the driving lights and tail lights automatically turn on. Number 3. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, SK1. The scooter has 10-inch inner tubes with a high-quality anti-slip surface. Although they are thicker off-road wheels, they are soft enough to absorb all shocks. There is also front and rear lighting with a decent range. There is also a dual brake system at the front and rear. The high-quality electric scooter FLJ SK1 has also a great price. It offers a powerful 1200-watt motor with a maximum speed of up to 45 km per hour, a range of 80 km or double suspension. The FLJ SK1 scooter is made of durable and high-quality aluminum alloy. However, the durability as well as the performance or size of the battery were reflected in the weight of the scooter itself. The scooter has no problem riding uphill, while it can climb up to a 25 degrees angle. The FLJ SK1 promises enough legroom, with a platform about 20 centimeters wide. Because the maximum speed it can reach is quite high, the scooter needed an efficient braking system. Therefore, to ensure a timely stop, but also for extra safety, the manufacturer opted for disc brake on both wheels. The large up to Panasonic 25 ampere-hour or 35 ampere-hour built-in battery offers a maximum range of 80 to 120 kilometers. The final value of course depends on the weight of the rider and the riding surface. The scooter is charged using the included adapter, and you can charge it to full capacity in 8 to 10 hours. With small size after folded, can put in car box. With big size comfortable seat. In terms of visibility in traffic, the scooter has both LED headlight and stop, as well as an LED strip installed on the side of the chassis. There is also a fairly generous screen display on the handlebars, which displays information on speed, usage and battery capacity. The dimensions of the scooter are 120 into 110 into 25 centimeters, while in the folded state it is only 108 into 46 into 25 centimeters. The load capacity of the scooter stopped at 150 kilograms, which is quite a decent value. Number 2. Brand name, Obarter. Model number, X1. The sturdy aluminum alloy body Obarter X1 electric scooter is equipped with a powerful 1000-watt brushless motor. The electric scooter comes with an excellent disc braking system and a large capacity battery to enable you to ride the incredible X1 for an extended period with ease. Obarter X1 electric scooter comes with 10-inch off-road tires that make it possible for you to ride the electric scooter from off-road to the urban streets and have fun while commuting. Additionally, the electric scooter has 3 speeding modes, and its robust brushless motor offers a maximum speed of 50 km per hour or 31 miles per hour. The X1 electric scooter is foldable, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. The scooter supports the maximum weight of 220 pounds or 100 kilograms. Additionally, it also tackles 35 degrees of steep hills with ease. Number 1. Brand name, Foldable. Model number, Q08. Powerful motor enables Q08 to reach 50 km per hour. The 10.5-inch thickened explosion-proof off-road tires makes Q08 durable and stable. It has a range of 60 to 80 km per charge and a longer service life. The battery has overcharge protection, overcurrent protection etc. More sensitive and faster brake response, shorter reaction distance. The shock absorption makes cycling more comfortable, even if the road is steep, like riding on flat ground. Q08 has a foldable design with a folding length of 112 centimeters and can be used in most car trunks. Suitable for commuting, shopping, hill riding and traveling. Humanized new reading interface design, greatly improved the code. The watch is easy to read and has complete functions,